Hello everyone, welcome to Database tutorial. So in today's video we will see how to create a multi-layered map chart. Here I have created a map chart in which my different states are there, and with each state I am able to see total employment rate for that state, and above that I am seeing the employment rate based on all the age groups. So I have to create this chart. Let's see how we will create it. The first part is to create a map chart. So I will create a map chart. I will simply drag my longitude field into columns and latitude into rows, and then my geographic field into detail. Now I want to showcase the employment here, so I will drag my employment field into color. So I will get my total employment in all the states here. I can also create this map chart by simply going to show me tab and selecting the map chart here. It will be created by that way also. Now above that I want to add the layer of a pie chart. So to add the layer again, I will drag my geographic field into the chart area, and as I will see, to add a marks layer here, I will drop my field here. So now as I can see that two marks cards are created. One is which was earlier consisting of employment rates, and another again is created of geographic field. So I will add this geographic field into detail here, and in the color I have to add my age group. So I will drag my age group into color. Size which I want to show is of employment rate, so I will add employment rate into size. And now I will convert this chart type into a pie chart. All the age groups I will get the employment rate for each state individually. I will just increase this size a little bit to showcase it properly. And in this total employment layer, I can change the color here. So I will change the color to orange here. So for each state I am able to see total employment, and above that I am able to see employment rate for different age groups. So like this I can create a multi-layered map chart. And if you want to again add a layer, you can again drag the geographic field here, and then we will get one more marks card here. And in this marks card, it's up to you how you want to use this marks card. So suppose if I want to showcase the unemployment also here, so I will drag unemployment into color here, and I will choose sum of unemployment, and here instead of map I will select circle. So in this circle I will be able to see my unemployment rate. I can adjust the size of this circle. So now in the same chart I will be able to see my employment rate also, unemployment rate also, and employment rate for different age groups as well. So like this we can create multiple layers in a map chart. Now that's it for today. If you have any queries, you can simply ask in the comment section. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.